What is an eclipse of a supermoon? Well, let's take a look at our solar system at a scale view. And you can see that it's nearly impossible to see the sun even in the middle. And forget about seeing the Earth and the Moon system clearly. But just trust that they're at the position of that arrow. And then take a look at this few months of animation that shows the Earth going around the sun, and the moon is going around the Earth, but it's too small to see. So let's exaggerate the size of all the solar system objects and their orbits and look at that same animation of several months of motion again. And you see that there's an opportunity where you can wind up that the Earth is directly in between the sun and the moon. So that animation was useful, but we really have to look more carefully to see exactly what's going on. Here again, with the exaggerated size of the planets, we're taking a look at the time around September when these objects all fall in a line. And if we go back to the regular scale, then you can see that there is a line that passes through the sun and the Earth and its moon, causing the eclipse. But why is this called a supermoon? The answer is because the Earth is actually closest to the moon, or the moon is closest to the Earth at that point in its elliptical orbit. So it's ever so slightly bigger, a supermoon, than when it's at its farthest point, which is where the green arrow was pointing. That's half the reason. The second reason that it's a supermoon is not just because it's close, but it has to also be full. And in order for the moon to be full, it has to be on directly the opposite side of the Earth from the sun, so that the whole face of the moon is illuminated. So you have both of those things to create the supermoon that we saw on the 27th, 28th of September in 2015. And I hope you got a chance to see it. And you should also check out the Worldwide Telescope Tour that goes along with this video version. Check out the link below.